It's currently 38 out there, and my phone is telling me that heavy snow is entering our location, and it really looks like it on the radar. And for right now, you can see there's some sleet out there. There's some iciness. Morris does not look amused. He just came down out of the cat hotel on his heating pad. Tux is up on the platform. There's Marty is in the lower doghouse. Don't get too cold, Marty. Oh, Marty slid. Poor thing. Well, don't get wet, guys. I'm not quite ready with your food. I'm just checking out the weather. We'll see if it starts snowing. Actual snow in a few minutes. So I woke up, and the first thing I saw on my phone was from the NWS, National Weather Service, telling me that heavy snow was entering my location.
You know what that meant? That meant I got no more sleep. Done.
But it was 9 o'clock. We won't go into the old time, new time, thing. And, you know, you wouldn't want to have missed the one snowflake we were going to see for the entire year. So the purple on the radar, it's staying like just west, just south, just not here. So we've seen a little icy stuff, but we've not actually seen a snowflake come down. And we've been up 45 minutes now, getting ready to go out and feed the cats and stuff. But Don's, you got to walk to get your paper?
Well, I don't know.
Yes, please.
If the concrete hill is slick or not, but that's the problem. You don't find out about that until you go down it.
Right, and there is a little sleet on the ground. There's a little icy looking, so I was like, walk. I need Donnie to be good. Every other day of the year you get to take it, but today maybe you need to walk it.
Yeah, right.
What is it, Stripe? What is it?
I'm going to go get Mr. Don's paper. I'll hustle up, snap to it.
I tell you, he'd be a lot happier paying for your cat food if you would go get his paper. Really? So this is interesting out here. It's kind of like pollen mixed in with ice. Sort of weird.
The hill was okay. It wasn't too icy. I could have rode this unicycle, but you know, by the time you know for sure, it's too late, and I'm already down it. So I just get to enjoy walking back up it. It's pretty neat out here. The dogwood trees are starting to leaf out. Well, there it is. Grand Total snow. Woohoo! I don't know if you can see it, but we've got a little snow on the roof up there right in the transition there. It looks like it stayed there. I'm surprised it did more than I was expecting. I was expecting nothing, but I guess it got a little colder than they thought it was going to get.
So how careful do I need to be out there?
Super careful on the boardwalk. That was the only slick spot, but it's really slick.
It's not a little slick, it's
very slick.
Ice skate rink level.
Ice skate, that's exactly right.
Okay. Somebody came by with the broom and got all the ice off of the boardwalk. I do have to say though that the anti-slip sole on the Croc chef shoes is pretty darn good at what it's supposed to do, but why take chances when you don't have to? Our free broom from yesterday's trash pickup. Yeah, definitely feeding these guys in here today, and Morris and Marty have been waiting a long time. Well, it's Tux too, but everybody stay dry in here now, okay? Don did take the piece of plastic we had over there down. They weren't sleeping up top like they might would have without it. I supported taking it down. And Tux is on his platform, and hopefully my maples aren't getting ruined. And all we've got is rain. They lied. I don't ever want to see NWS say I have heavy snow entering my location. I want to fine them for telling me that and it not being true. I did have some ice though. So that's the most ice we're going to see. Right there.
All right.
The all-important heating pads are doing their thing, which is good. I would have liked to have seen flakes for 5 or 10 minutes since I hauled myself out of bed pretty quick and was ready to see them, photograph them, and enjoy them, and then we didn't get them. I mean, we might have had a flake that turned into that ice we saw. I don't know. I didn't see that ice come down. I was still seeing my eyelids then. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. All right, Gray. Last but not least, but those boys were waiting out there in the weather for me. I had to go handle them first today. Hi, honey. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Ready for breakfast? Hi, cutie. Oh. Are you enjoying your paper and your coffee?
Yes, I am. Very much so.
I just want to say, though, that you should not assume we're not walking today.
Oh, I already walked. I walked all the way out to the mailbox and back.
I wouldn't assume we're not at least going up to the track and going around 4 times. We'll wait for this afternoon, though, when it's... Yeah, you'll be fine. It's supposed to warm up, and anything that's come down is supposed to melt. So, just, you know, you can be comfy, but don't get too comfy.
Thank you.
It's been a few days, and I'm excited to get back at it today. Life got busy. I was waiting on parts, and I was still just trying to make sure I wanted to go with this light tan color for the walls, even though I had done it on the floor. And I do. So that's cool. I really needed to add in a couple of pieces over here before I put the wall up, or they were going to be really hard to put on. And they are in this bag. So I'm going to add the couple of pieces to the floor I was waiting on and then start building up the wall. I'm probably going to take it off of this because in pressing down on it, it's just easier to press if it's not on the building. In this particular case, this building doesn't have a center thing to make pressing, you know, there's no wall on the bottom floor. It's all wide open. And so that's good and bad. You know, it's a nice open floor plan for the shop, but it's not, you know, makes pressing not as easy. I've made really good progress. I've been working on it for literally hours, probably at least 3. I'm not done. There's more decorations goes here. There's more flat pieces up top here. I'm missing 4 of the masonry bricks over here. I need some people. I need some wall pictures, hangings, artwork to go up on the wall, one on this side, one on the other side. I did add a window back here that it didn't call for. I'm always adding extra windows. I was thinking about one over here too at the table, but we'll see. I can add it. I don't know. It's going good. I've got 3 pieces here on each side that need to come back off, and I've got to take some stuff apart probably to pry them off. They're not trivial to get back out. But we're going to go for our walk, and so I'm stopping for now. But like I said, there's at least 3 hours worth of work there. I really had to think about some stuff and how I wanted it to go, and I may work on it some more when we come back. I'll see. So it's 4 o'clock, and Donna and I are headed out on our walk. Good thing is you know, it's not going to get dark as early. We've got plenty of daylight. Don't know how far we're going to walk. At least, I said at least 4 laps at South Park, maybe 8. We'll see how we're doing. So I knew some of the stuff that Dr. Ekberg covered in this video. How many steps should you walk to stay healthy? Several things were new or definitely reinforced. I recommend this video. It goes back to do you really need 10,000 steps? And more importantly, what's the goal of getting out there? And he chastised me. Not personally or directly, but he chastised me to play less pogo and swing more arms. Pick up the pace a little bit. I think the weight vest is good and picking up the trash is good. But, you know, we all can always stand for additional improvement. So I'll consider myself possibly more motivated to walk faster and swing more. Although some days I'm out there, it's all I want. I mean, it's... yeah, anyway, this is a good video. It talks about what the goals of exercise should be again and why it's important and how it helps prevent dementia and improve metabolic health. And it's a really good video. Well, somehow we waited all day and it still is raining more than it's going to be nice at all out there on the track. It's just not fair.
We're gonna get wet.
Yeah, and it's... well, it's probably like, it was 37 degrees. It's 36 or 37 degrees. It's not toasty out here.
No.
I sure do love you, but you know, we could just come in here and get cozy.
That's right.
So, I'm standing on my back for,
Pokemon's
right,
raining.
well, I could say I could play Pokemon from the parking lot. I don't have to get out of the car to play Pokemon. It's just raindrops, but look. Doesn't that just make you just want to stay in the car? Oh, goodness. All right. Yep. I need to invigorate myself somehow.
Yeah.
Dr. Ekberg would be so proud of you.
You're laughing at me.
I love you.
She makes me come out here and walk when it's literally trying to snow and sleet. And then she makes fun of me because I'm trying to do... He said you're just wasting your time if you're walking around doing this.
Right.
So he said
you set a good example.
He said there's like two what do you call it? Cross something another. You cross, swing arms, legs, feet. Your body this is one of the foundation patterns that your body has. Your nervous system is literally evolved to support this. Swing arms, hips one way, shoulders the other way. That's what you were designed to do.
All right, well, just as soon as I do what I need to do in Pokemon, I'll start doing that.
Yeah. Yeah.
At the end of the first lap, we did go check out electronics recycling, but no fines today, no goodies. I mean, it's got a lot of stuff in there, but yeah, nothing worth grabbing today. This is the end of lap 2.
Yeah. Lap. Can't change your mind.
I can't.
No, you already gave me the official notification.
This is lap 6. I told him we'd split the difference between
4 and 8.
4 and 8.
And she said that's official.
Official. Okay. But my hands are all warmed up now and everything is limber, and I've taken a couple really good, wow, that deep breath in felt great breaths.
Yeah.
We picked up a piece of fiberglass, some sort of an antenna maybe.
Yeah.
That's going home. That could be for a wind spinner or sun spinner or
Stick it in the yard and put something on it.
something on it. Yep. If I don't use it, Michelle will use it for Halloween props or something. Us girls, we always got needs for scrap. got to do a little bit of rework on the window areas on the front, both sides. And I've added the flowers and done that rework. And yeah, it's really coming along. I am definitely done for tonight now. And if I work on it tomorrow, which I probably will, I'll probably be starting the next floor because other parts, there's a railing. And then there's a few pieces that are missing. That can be easily added. I did go ahead and add the second window onto this side. That just, you know, like up there, it allows a little bit of light to come through from the back where that strip is when there's windows on the back side. So it gives me more options for sticking wires in there to light things up also. These windows are the kind that are only connected at the top and they open up pretty easily. So if you want to stick something in there that to light it up or whatever, you could. So anyway, I'm happy with what I got done today.